Welcome, here I've got VIVAX Point X503 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's just simply slide a little bit to the right to get access to the camera settings, and here we have save location option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.